makes a lot of fun to drive, and also for the time, I'm really happy. Yeah.
We want to win the championship. I mean, that's our ambition. Somebody will win, and somebody will lose. When we go for it, we go for it. I really can't describe it. I mean, it's something crazy. It's something unbelievable, and I'm going to enjoy this for a long, long time now. I want to be world champion together with Ferrari.
You know, either Michael had his eyes closed or somehow his hands slid on the steering or something.
Drive fast, don't crash. Yes, it does mean a lot to me. Sorry. We have become so strong, we have become so close together. I've decided together with the team that I'm going to retire. And here we are, we're back, and we never give up.
What a little start. Pole position. Well done, Michael.
But at some point, it's good to say goodbye. And that's what I'm doing here with by the end of the season. And it might this time even be forever.